this is an extension of whatever we just learned now, e to the power of n into a to the power of, whole to the power of m. It's just an extension of that. So a to the power of n whole to the power of m, which is nothing but a to the power of n into m. So we're going to understand this particular representation, and also we are going to use this formula, right? Of course, it can come in places wherein we don't have this particular formula being used, right? A to the power of n into a to the power of whole to the power of m is not used. Even there it can come. So I have few examples over here, but yes, it will be a combination of this particular representation and this particular formula. And in time we are going to use everything, and we are going to have numericals. So first is the representation. What does it mean? See, the one which is in the bracket is your base as usual, and one which is in this small space, right, that is your power in fraction form. Example, if I write 4 over here and something like this and a line like this, and if I write 144, this is nothing but 144 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, it's as simple as that. Sometimes we don't write anything over here. So what does it mean? By default it means 2. If someone, or in the question paper there is nothing written over there, by default it's 2. So this is nothing but 16 to the power of 1 by 4. Of course there is a way to simplify all of this, but I'm not showing that. We're just talking about the representation. So let's start off with square root of 10. Okay, that's how we read it as. So here by default there is 2, and we have 10 to the power of 1 by 2. In the next question we have mentioned what is the root, which root we are taking, that is the 4th root. This is 24 to the power of 1 by 4. Next problem, we are going to use e to the power of n whole to the power of m formula over here. So let me start off. 4th root of 10 to the power of 8. So this is nothing but 10 to the power of 8 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Right? So 10 to the power of 8 into 1 by 4. So 8 and 4. What can I do over here? It's in this form, so I can cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are, and end up with 10 to the power of 2. Next question, I have that, but there is no number over here, so it is by default 2. So this is nothing but 2 and that. Okay, whatever the base is, you just have to copy that. So basically this is a to the power of 8 whole to the power of half, and you know what to do, e to the power of 8 into half, which is nothing but 8 to the power of 4. We have different things over here happening. So first things, let's forget about what is happening inside the bracket. Just concentrate on what is outside. So actually next session is wherein we are going to learn how to handle what is happening inside the bracket. So I won't complete the answer, but I'll just show you what to do. So you have 8th root, that's how you read it as 8th root e to the power of 16 into b to the power of 8. So all you have to do is open a bracket, e to the power of 16 into b to the power of 8 whole to the power of 1 by 8. Of course there are a few more steps post this, but now I'm not going to do that. Here too it's on a similar line. 10th root of 2 to the power of 4 into 8 to the power of 10. This is 2 to the power of 4 into 8 to the power of 10 whole to the power of 1 by 10. Okay. So we will complete this in time, but not now.